Alright, Brooklyn Bridge Park, everybody. 1 and 4 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. That HVAC ventilation glass is really looking amazing. Also get another good look at the antenna spire. Appears there is another piece sitting up there waiting for installation. Alright, I'm just going to walk a little closer to the carousel. The antenna spire will continue to rise as more pieces arrive. As I said earlier, right now it is currently only half built, and as soon as the last pieces arrive, it will continue to its full height. Out there is the Williamsburg Bridge. This is the Manhattan Bridge where I just walked across. They're doing some work on it. Over here is the Brooklyn Bridge. It is also getting work done, and we're back to 1 and 4 World Trade Center. So again, the antenna spire will continue to rise on the Freedom Tower, and all the glass will be done within the next few months. The base cladding is beginning, and the bulkhead for 4 World Trade Center is nearly, well, it's not nearly complete, but it's getting there. The front is almost complete. Okay, I'm further along on the pier now. This is pretty much all lower Manhattan. Sorry if it's a little shaky, it's just because I'm walking. Gonna walk to the end here. And of course, there is the Freedom Tower. Freedom Tower, 1 World Trade Center, and 4 World Trade Center. Now when towers 2 and 3 are built, you really won't be able to see 1 World Trade Center from this angle because Tower 2 is basically right behind it. Tower 3 will be right next to Tower 4, and there will be a small gap for where the transportation hub will be. There's the antenna spire. I believe a few glass panels above the HVAC glass has been added since I left. I'm too far away now, but yeah, I think something looks slightly different. Alright everybody, that's just about all the time I have for today. So, I am now going to close this update. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions to ask me, feel free to do so. And if you have any general questions about the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center, or anything going on at the site, please feel free to send me a channel comment, leave a channel comment, or you may simply ask on the video. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy, and I hope you've enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.